क्रिसुमी के ब्यूटीफुल मॉडल को देखने से पहले समझ लेते हैं इसके लोकेशन को। और ये राउंड सर्कल बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है। यहाँ से अगर आप लेफ्ट जाएंगे तो पहुँच जाएंगे न्यू गुड़गांव के पूरे पैच पे। सामने है द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे, 15 मिनट की ड्राइव टाइम में आप पहुँच जाएंगे दिल्ली गुड़गांव बॉर्डर पर। और यहाँ से अगर आप लेते हैं राइट स्ट्रेट तो आप पहुँच जाएंगे SPR रोड, गोल्फ कोर्स एक्सटेंशन रोड, गोल्फ कोर्स रोड, इवन NH8 उससे पहले ही 1 मिनट के ड्राइव पे। अब हम जा रहे हैं जस्ट ऑन द ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन ऑफ द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे एंड यहाँ पर है क्रिसुमी की सेल्स गैलरी, जहाँ पर हम देखेंगे इनके ब्यूटीफुल मॉडल को ऑफ 3rd and 4th फेज। लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस ब्यूटीफुल वीडियो नाउ। वेलकम टू क्रिसुमी सिटी। राइट नाउ आई एम स्टैंडिंग इन सेक्टर 36A। क्रिसुमी प्रोजेक्ट को बहुत डिटेल में मैंने कवर किया है। क्रिसुमी फेज़ 1, फेज़ 2 एंड नाउ 3 and 4th, जो कि करंटली इनके न्यूली लॉन्च्ड फेजेस हैं। सो फेज़ 3 एंड फेज़ 4 के लिए भी डिटेल्ड वीडियो बनाई गई है विच यू कैन लुक हेयर। Vandana Sarosh this side, presenting rare approved channel partner firm covering luxurious real estate market of your own premium Gurugram city. Now today we are going to look at the model of phase 3 and phase 4 very closely, जिससे आप बहुत डिटेल में समझ पाएंगे कि किस टावर का क्या लुक आता है और किस टावर में आपको कौन सा साइज बुक करना चाहिए। Let's look at the model of a beautiful project from a premium location, Crisumy.
Yeah, good evening. So this is our Cascade Club. This is somewhere around 1,60,000 square feet of a clubhouse, biggest right now in the northern India. The Crisumy is investing close to 250 to 300 crore rupees in the development of this Cascade Club. It has all the features one could ask for, with an outdoor swimming pool, an indoor swimming pool, your futsal court, your basketball court, your cricket pitch, multi-cuisine restaurants, business bays, business lounges, everything is inside the Cascade Club. So this Cascade Club is coming up with our new upcoming model, which is the phase 3 and the phase 4. Now within the premises, as you are aware, you must have seen the phase 1 and the phase 2. What we have launched right now is the phase 3, which has 3 towers. This is called the Tower 1, WR1. This is called WR2. This is called WR3. Now what comes below? Below is a swimming pool here, the adult swimming pool, with a pool and a bar here. We also have an artificial lake here with a meditation center. We also have an amphitheater here. Now this becomes your children's swimming pool and it's a streak going inside the premises. So this becomes a beautiful view when it comes inside. Now let me explain you this Tower 1, which is called WR1. This has only one size. It is 4 apartments per floor, 3 plus servant, 3 BHK, we call it LDK here, so it's 3 LDK plus servant, 2700 square feet, 4 apartments per floor. Then comes WR2. In this, the corner ones, which you see my laser on, this is a 2 plus study, and this also, the corner ones, are 2 plus study. The middle ones are 2 LDKs. That ideally means 2 BHK plus study and 2 BHK here, and 2 BHK here and 2 plus study here. Similar typology we have in the WR2, wherein we have the corner ones as 2 LDK plus study, and this corner also 2 LDK plus study. The middle ones are 2 LDK. Now coming on to the other side of this building, we have the 3 LDKs, the 3 BHKs. Let me show it to you. So as I told you, this is the backside of 3 plus servant. Now WR2 and WR3. This is one 3 LDK and second 3 LDK. So there are 2 LDKs, 3 LDKs over here. So that total becomes 4. 2 here and 2 here. And this opposite side of this becomes the east facing. So these apartments will have an early morning view. And those side apartments will have the second half view. So this is your phase 3, what we call the top floors are all penthouses. Come in. So this is our phase 4. This is a standalone tower, ground plus 46. This has all service apartments. So there are 10 service apartments on each floor, wherein we have 3 different sizes. The smallest is 940 square feet, which is 1 LDK plus 1 toilet, ideally 1 BHK plus 1 toilet, whose location is this one, the middle ones. So this middle one, middle apartment, this side and the other side, the opposite side, the middle ones are your 940 square feet. Then we have the 1012 size, which is 1 LDK plus 2 toilets. This is this side, the middle ones next to each other, and iske opposite side pe, that main road facing, that also middle ones are 1012. Then we have the third largest size, which is 1172, which is 1 LDK plus 2 toilet, again the corner ones. So this corner, all the 4 corners in the building are 1172. So these we have launched right now in the phase 3 and the phase 4. Next year we are planning the phase 5 as well. Let's see, let's hope for the best how it goes, which will be having bigger sizes, 3 plus servant and 4 LDK, as we are discussing right now. I mean, not yet sure, but we are discussing. So let's see how it goes. So our prices are starting from 2.15 crores approximately, and it goes up till approximately 6 crores for the biggest size. These are excluding the penthouses obviously, and it's an all-inclusive price. So at Kusumi we don't have any plus or like hidden charges. What we give you is a fair costing, wherein we calculate and give you all the GST, the RERA registrations, and everything is all-inclusive. So the prices which I told you is all-inclusive, somewhere between that bracket, 2.15 starting crores goes up to 5.86 crores. So this is the pricing from our side.
Now, if you have any query, looking for any detail, and then you should also watch Kusumi Phase 3 video, which you are going to find at the end of this video. And iske alawa, if you have any particular question, then me and my team is there to assist you. If you are an NRI and looking for the best price and any apartment in Kusumi Phase 1, Phase 2 and Phase 3, 4, then we are there to help you. Let's meet in next video. Meanwhile, like the video, share the video, and do subscribe the channel. Bye bye.